And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 365. We'll go once more back to Filter, Camera Raw. And this option right here is for the presets. There are lots of inbuilt presets, and these are basically photo filters. You can hover over them and see the effect applied in real time. Let me choose something that has a more intense impact. Maybe seasons here, spring. Left click on the one that you want to use, and you can see right here is an intensity slider for it, so you can still adjust that. A couple of more options right here. You can create your own presets, and then here just some settings. Let me, for example, collapse it all. And I go back to edit, and this will still be editable, so you can perform all of the other operations in addition to having this preset active. When you got what you want, don't forget to confirm via OK, and it should already be applied. So as I've said, lots of presets inbuilt, and it's as simple as photo editing can get. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.